Penguins are fascinating creatures with many unique and distinct characteristics compared to other animals. Here are some notable traits of penguins. 1. Exceptional swimming ability. Although penguins are birds, they cannot fly. However, they are excellent swimmers. They can move underwater at speeds of up to 15 kilometers per hour, using their wings like flippers to swim gracefully. 2. Perfect adaptation to cold. Penguins live in extremely cold environments, particularly in Antarctica. Their bodies are covered with a thick layer of fat and waterproof feathers, which help them stay warm even in freezing temperatures below 0 degrees Celsius. Number 3. Social and communal life. Penguins often live in large colonies that can number in the thousands. This communal lifestyle helps them stay warm and protect each other from predators. They have their own ways of communicating, using sounds and gestures to connect with one another. Number 4. Patience and dedication of male penguins. In some species, male penguins are responsible for incubating the eggs during the harsh winter. They endure extreme cold for about 2 months without eating to protect the eggs, while the females are out foraging for food. 5. Ability to recognize mates. Penguins form a special bond with their mates. Even in large, chaotic colonies, they can recognize each other by their unique calls and movements. This is crucial for sharing parental duties and raising their young. 6. Precise navigation skills. Despite traveling hundreds or even thousands of kilometers to hunt for food, penguins are able to find their way back to their nests with remarkable precision. This navigation ability is a rare skill among animals. 7. Diversity in colors and sizes. While we typically think of penguins as black and white, there are actually species with other colors such as yellow, orange, or blue in certain regions. Penguins also vary greatly in size, from the smallest species, standing around 30 centimeters tall, to the largest, which can exceed 1 meter. Penguins are truly remarkable creatures with many intriguing qualities to discover. Penguins belong to the Aves class, the bird family, but they exhibit biological behaviors that differ from most other bird species. Below are some key points about their biological habits: egg laying and incubation. 1. Part of the bird family. Penguins are birds, but they possess unique characteristics that set them apart from other bird species. One of the most striking differences is that they cannot fly. Instead, they have developed excellent swimming abilities, making them particularly well-suited for life in water. Number 2. Biological habits of egg incubation. Penguins have distinct and unique reproductive behaviors. Laying eggs. Like other birds, penguins lay eggs. Depending on the species, they may lay 1 to 2 eggs at a time. Male incubation. One of the most notable features of penguins is that, in many species, the male penguin takes on the responsibility of incubating the eggs. After the female lays the eggs, the male keeps the eggs in a special pouch under his abdomen, called the brood pouch, and incubates them for an extended period. During this time, the male does not eat and must endure harsh weather conditions for several months. Brood pouch. Male penguins hold the eggs in a skin pouch on their abdomen to protect them from the cold, ensuring they remain warm and at the right temperature for embryo development. 3. Raising and nurturing the young. Once the eggs hatch, the chick is carefully nurtured by both parents. The parents take turns hunting for food and protecting the chick from the cold and predators. The chick is fed with regurgitated food from the parents' stomachs. The parent penguins swallow the food, partially digest it, and then regurgitate it to feed the chick. 4. Large colony life. A distinctive feature of penguins is that they live in large colonies, sometimes consisting of thousands of individuals. This communal living helps them stay warm and protect each other. Penguin parents can find their chick within the dense crowd by recognizing specific sounds made by the chick. 5. Characteristic breeding season. Penguins usually breed during the winter, when conditions are most challenging. This may seem paradoxical, but in winter, the icy regions of Antarctica become more stable, with fewer predators, providing safer conditions for laying and incubating eggs. Biological mechanisms for cold resistance. Penguins have a thick layer of fat and waterproof feathers that help them retain heat, especially during incubation. Male penguins endure extreme cold, standing still to keep the eggs warm under their abdomens throughout the incubation period. Thus, although penguins belong to the bird family, Aves, they exhibit many unique biological behaviors, particularly with the role of the male in incubating eggs and raising the young. This makes them stand out compared to many other bird species.